No two people are alike. We differ in terms of the diseases that we may develop and also in the way that we respond to things like foods, medications, and exercise. Doctors consider these differences when deciding how to treat us. Up to now, these decisions were mostly based on simple measurements like blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure, as well as factors such as our sex, ethnic group, and body weight. Today we know a lot more about genes and their functions. Also, with the massive expansion in computational power and the linking of huge databases, doctors can now use all this information more quickly and effectively in recommending treatment plans for us. But what are genes, and how do they affect our health? Genes contain the basic information needed to code for the proteins, cells, and tissues that make up all living things. They play a role in determining our physical characteristics. More importantly, genes determine how individual organs and cells work in our body. Our genes are coded as sequences of 4 letters: C, G, A, and T. Differences in one or more of these letters are called genetic variants. Genetic variants are part of what make us unique. They affect how vulnerable we are to certain diseases and how we respond to foods, medications, exercise, and toxins. Genetic variants can be passed down from parents to children. Today it is possible to study all of the variants in all of the genes in the body, which is known as the genome. Genetic sequencing allows us to determine the order of the 3 billion letters in our genome. 20 million of these letters differ from one person to the next. With the lower cost of sequencing the genome, we can now study the genomes of many people, which allows us to gain more insights into how genes affect our health. This in turn will help doctors to diagnose diseases and develop new medications.